Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today we will be doing something a little bit different. Not a survival series, which I'm gonna make episode 2 in like a day. Maybe today and post it tomorrow. I don't know. But today, who knows DanTDM? So he has a hardcore world, which has a castle. I thought I'd click record, but I didn't, sadly. So, let me tell you what this is. So what you need to do here, build glass that goes 9 blocks tall, a block behind, like that way, 8 blocks tall, this 9, 8, 9. Now, make that, hold on, I get a text message. Hold on. Hold on, I'm almost there. I just gotta pick a good time for something. Alright, so now leave a 2 space like that so you have enough room to walk in. Now we're gonna build this up to the tallest block, not that one, tallest. Now do the same on this side. 1, 2, 3. Go out. Up. Full 9. Now, what we're going to do is place some soul sand and some magma. Now, place water. So this part really annoyed me. Is really kind of annoying only because... Wait, hold up. So place stone brick though, to be real fast. Place stone brick for 5. Make sure it's 5 blocks long, from this end all the way to this end. All right, now I placed this so I can make like a weird little elevator thing. So how this works is, well, you're here. First, really quick, let's just put some fences here. And open those just so the water's not leaking, because it's really annoying when it leaks. Sucks. Alright, so place 1 soul sand, and I guess you have to place it a block up and up like that. I don't know why, it's really annoying, but yeah, they needing to fix that. Then this one, same thing. Here, 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 all the way up. You'll know it's working because it will start to suck you down. So like, look, it just sucks you down. So now let's go back up into our house. So now let's place a block in front that's 3 blocks tall. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Connect the top so when you come in, go that way to get inside. Now here, go out 1, and then out another, and make this 6 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same on this side. Here, and then again. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna do the same thing on this side, except it's going to be 5 blocks long. So bring this out 1, and then we are going to be doing out again. Now that's 2, 3, 4, 5. So now 5 that way, 6 that way. And now fill your floors in with wood. Alright. Hate filling in floors. It's one of the most annoyingest things. Once I get world edit, oh, this is gonna be so much easier. I just hate. One thing that's really annoying is that when you want to stop, you just go. You won't stop immediately. Like in Windows 10, the first one I had, like what happened is if you flew, you would just stop immediately instead of just keep flying like that. Alright, so now after you get that one, put another layer of stone bricks. One. That's all around the base. So all around. Now after you get that, what you're going to do is place glass that's about 2 blocks tall around the whole thing on top of this. So now we're gonna do our glass. Come on. Almost there. Done. Now what you want to do is place this 3 blocks tall. 1, 2, 3. Place stone bricks all around it, just like we did with the glass layer. 2 blocks tall. No, 3 blocks tall. So make that glass 3 blocks tall and place stone bricks like 3 blocks tall. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and just keep on going all around the house. Now after we get done with this, we're gonna make the next floor. So we're just gonna place some more wood. I don't know why. When he made this house, he messed up. I don't know what he did. He placed wood there, so that's what we're gonna do. So let's do that. Alright. And also, I'm gonna make a spiral staircase. So if you don't know how to make spiral staircases, I shall show you. Alright, so after you get this floor done, what we're gonna do next is the roof is what's next. No, I forgot a layer. This one. All you have to do is just place glass again 2 blocks tall around the whole entire thing. Just like that. Around the whole thing. Alright, after you get there, now what you're gonna do, hey, look at the sunrise. Alright, now after that, place 2 blocks tall. So do basically what we just did with the glass. All around 2 blocks tall, but with stone bricks. So, boom. Alright, any day now. I hate buildings like big things because it just takes so long. Alright, now after we get that, place one there. It's supposed to be a castle, so you put that. So place your things like that. A block space from each other. Now, boom. So that is the castle. We're gonna put a floor here. Just like so. Almost done. Hold on. Hate freaking building floors. Alright. Now we got that. So let's find the back of the house. Let's get some ladders real quick. Alright, sweet. Now we got ladders. And we need slabs. Some oak slabs for the spiral staircase. So the spiral staircase is gonna start right here. So go from this corner, out one, and then go 1, 2, 3. So start placing your oak logs. And so here, what I would do is start here like this. Right, one there. And then you just kind of keep going lower and lower. Oh, man, text me, hold on. Alright, so now, place that, break that, and go 1 block smaller. Here, here, boom. So now you have a spiral staircase. If you want, you can do this. You don't have to. What you can Oh, my battery's running low. That's bad. So, I wouldn't bring the spiral staircase all the way up. I would start placing ladders up. And yeah. So that is the castle. Tell me if you guys like it. So that's the castle. That's the whole castle. If you want, for like extended storage, you break this and start placing blocks like this. And then, so just like that, keep going out like 5. Make a 5, kind of, just basically build this whole floor. Then you'll have another one over here. So that's really what you can do if you want to. I did in one of them that I built. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and tell me if I should make more. Oh, God, I broke my house. Bye.